Your Bernina 560 embroidery machine is very smart. So smart that it actually knows what size of embroidery hoop gets put on and makes sure that it's right for the design that you've picked. Now, I want to show you how you put your hoops on first. So, easiest thing to do is just slide it directly under the foot. I watch so many of my students try to tip it in and it just doesn't work. You just go straight underneath the foot. Then, over here, you're going to squeeze both those levers together, lift up, and you're going to place it firmly onto the brackets of the embroidery module. When it goes down all the way, it clicks into place and it doesn't move. Now watch this. So I have a design up on the screen that is going to fit in the oval hoop. But if I happen to tell the machine I have the oval hoop on, but then actually put on the medium hoop, when I go to sew, it'll actually recognize that I have a hoop that's too small for the design. That's why I get this big red box around it. So if I confirm it, well, that's not going to be the ideal place to do, but we can definitely come back and get that reset up for the right hoop size that it would be working with. So how does the machine actually recognize it? It recognizes by these little bumps here along the edge, and the bumps actually signal the machine to know which hoop. So see these little teeth, kind of look like teeth, there they are, that you can actually feel, but once the machine has those hoops on, it knows which hoop you're using.